Hey all, and welcome to our documentation hub for FlexThemes. My name is Paulina. In this video, I'll go over our FlexThemes dashboard and what is included, the overall structure, and just giving you a quick overview. I will use Lyra as an example. However, all of our Flex themes have the same approach, so that should be all valid for you as well if you're using a Flex theme. Within the dashboard, we'll have the same approach across and very similar to what we have within our classic themes. We have Flow Themes tab here in the left side menu with all of the options that you need to add to personalize your theme or to adjust anything based on your needs. So I'll go ahead and go into the introduction. This is an introductory tab. Here you'll find a Lyra overview, some quick guides as well, and quick links into our documentation. In getting started, you'll go over how to import demo content or how to get started with your demo inside your theme. Header tab goes over your header options inside Lyra specifically and the rest of Flex themes as well. And you have options here for logo and menu options and mobile header. Our pages tab go over some page layouts for archive page, for search page. You're able to select the layout that you want to have, not found page options and settings, as well as our miscellaneous regarding default page layout and page title font. In the introduction tab over here, you have some video documentations as well, and some terms explained in terms of how the pages are built out. Our posts tab goes over the layout for our open post or open blog post. Again, we have how-tos here, global layout, which is applied across your blog post, the template, which you can apply, and some miscellaneous regarding the settings of the single post. So you can work this through this as a general setting across all. Same goes for galleries, same approach with templates, global layout, how-tos and miscellaneous in terms of the links. As you can see here, the link slug for the general portfolio link, categories, and tags. Our generics, as always, go over specifically generic typography over here, custom code if you're more advanced, to go over social media, which will be important for you in terms of social sharing and also adding social links. You can see that you have an option for all of this here to add and remove your links. Introduction tab will go over some of the functionalities and just tutorial how to use this. Miscellaneous goes through favicons and different settings here as well. And we have also preloader animation that you can add. I'll go ahead and leave this page. We have sidebar settings. You can click here to view how to do that within the widget areas and start adding your sidebars if that's required. Then we have our footer options. Again, we have inbuilt video tutorials here, so you can work through that, select your layouts and elements included. And the style tab, which goes over your typography options and libraries, as well as color schemes. So all of that has its own videos inbuilt here, so you can go ahead and dive into it. But as a quick overview, wanted to make sure you know what's included. And then within theme updates, this is where you can check through your order ID the versions and update to the newly released versions of your theme. And you'll see the whole changelog here of all the updates. One thing that I wanted to go over specifically in our Flex themes is whenever you go into pages and start building out your pages is how you have templates. So I'll go ahead and use our homepage A as a template example of a page. And you'll notice that it will load all the options, and in the templates tab, you'll notice all the templates available to use. So these are pre-built templates. That means whenever I apply the template, I can have a quick view and then apply this specific template to this page once it loads as such. And whenever you apply the template, you will see that all of the layouts will appear here in the layout tab, or all of the blocks. all our Flex themes are made out of WordPress blocks, which you'll find as through this label, WP, as well as Flex blocks with this label Flex. So this way you know which one is what. Within the layout, you have all the different blocks. You can rearrange them by reordering. You have certain settings for each block separately. You can click on the icon here to make edits outside of the block, and then double click to make edits inside the block itself. For Flex, we'll have a separate video within our documentation on that. You can remove those blocks as such, and for WordPress blocks, you can copy them by clicking this button, and they will appear in our Add Block section. Here below, there will be a section for cloned blocks. And for Flex blocks, you're able to duplicate them a bit differently. If you click on the block, you're able to export the block and then import it into a new block. And that's something, again, separately discussed or mentioned and covered within our video tutorials on Flex. And that's pretty much it. You have quite a lot of options here to add blocks. As mentioned, these are all WordPress blocks. With Flex, you would need to go inside, like so. Open the builder, and any of the Flex options, you'll click on layouts. You'll find all of the layouts broken down by category. You can also search them by name. You can click on the section itself or the block itself and see all of the options here. You can also slide through within this opened window through the rest of the blocks to view them and then apply the layout within that block. So if you want to add a new block to your template or to your layout, a new Flex block, you'll click on Add Block and you'll add Flex block. It will appear on top of your footer. You'll open that up, open Builder, and from your Layout tab, you will select a certain block to apply within that layout. And then you can start editing from there. That's pretty much it for this specific video overview, what's inside our Flex themes and all the options and areas where you can edit your theme. I'll see you in the next videos going over more in detail into Flex blocks and the rest of the editing options inside your theme. Thanks, bye.